In this video, I'm going to show you how to one name on Facebook old or new account. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Facebook Lite and just sign in your account in here. And after that, just click the three lines on the top right corner. And from here, just click the settings option. And by clicking on it from here, just simply select your personal details in here. And click your profiles. Then click your account in here. And after that, just click the name. Wherein from here, you can start customizing your name in here. However, you must have a VPN installed on your phone. And to do that, kindly go to your Play Store or Apple Store and kindly search for the VPN Gate. Then proceed by simply clicking on this result right here and start installing this application. And after installing it, just click the open button. And from here on the top right corner, just click the free servers button in here. In which by doing so, you'll be able to see here a variety of VPN country that you can choose from. But in this option, I'm going to choose Indonesia, Jakarta. Since using this VPN country of Indonesia, Jakarta, you'll be able to customize your name to make it one name only. And by clicking on it, just click Agree Ads and start watching the advertisement. And after that, you will be able to be directed on this page and proceed by clicking the Connect button and click OK if this appears on your screen. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully connected. And after that, just proceed by simply going back to our Facebook Lite in here and start deleting our last name in here. But make sure to remain the first name in here, add another space. And after that, just proceed by simply clicking the review change button in here to proceed. Now at this point, there's an error on my part. However, upon clicking the review change, you should be able to change your name into only one name.